Pi network has landed on Kraken after years of mining Pi on mobile phones, waiting for real exchange access. It has not happened. But here is the truth. Most pioneers are not here yet because when a cryptocurrency lands on a major exchange like Kraken, three things usually happen. In fact, immediately, excitement rises, speculation explodes, and the market begins testing the real value of the token. So what exactly happened with Pi? Well, Kraken lists Pi ahead of Pi Day 2026. More than 30% after Kraken announces listing the crypto exchange, Kraken officially confirmed that Pi network trading went live on March 13, 2026. This listing came just one day before Pi Day, which is one of the most important annual events for the Pi community. Well, for many pioneers who have been mining Pi for years, this is one of the biggest milestones in the project history because it opens access to a large global exchange and increases visibility in the broader crypto market. Seriously. But here is something interesting. Something interesting happened immediately after the listing, and I'll tell you. The price of Pi surged more than 30% when the listing news came out, as traders rushed in. At one point, Pi briefly touched around 0.29 during the excitement around Kraken launch. However, shortly after trading opened, the price began to drop again, falling back toward about 0.2 within the next day. Well, this is something traders call sell the news. It means people buy the rumor before a big event. And once the event finally happens, early traders take profit. So the Kraken listing became both a celebration moment and a market test. What this actually means for Pi, let's see what it means for Pi. Now, here is the deeper part most people are missing. A listing on a major exchange like Kraken does three important things. One, liquidity expansion. It allows global traders to buy and sell the token, increasing market activity. Two, price discovery. For the first time, the market begins to determine the real price based on supply and demand, not speculation. Then ecosystem pressure. Once trading becomes available, the question becomes, does the ecosystem have enough free utility to support the value? Because long-term success of a cryptocurrency does not come from exchange listings alone. It comes from apps, merchants, and reusage inside the ecosystem. The bigger update most people missed. Behind the market reaction, something even more important happened. Recent Pi network upgrades have been preparing the ecosystem for the next phase. Node infrastructure upgrades, smart contract capability, developer tools for applications, expansion of ecosystem apps. These upgrades are meant to transform Pi from just a mined token into a functional blockchain ecosystem. And that's where the real long-term value of Pi will be tested. So yes, Pi network landing on Kraken is a major moment. But the real story is not just the listing. The real story is what happens after the listing. Will the ecosystem grow fast enough to support global adoption? That is the question the market is now asking. If you are following Pi network and want clear updates without hype or confusion, subscribe to Global Rise Network, because here we focus on facts clarity, and the future of the crypto ecosystem.